Good evening. Okay, so let me ask you this. What if Ariel were evil and Ursula were good? What if, when they created these characters, they had the exact same character concept, but they were reversed? If these are thoughts that keep you up till 3 o'clock in the morning, worry no more. We are going to possibly solve your problems today. And when I had this thought enter my noggin, I actually searched the interweb for tutorials on like an evil Ariel. There really aren't any that exist. There are some gory versions of Ariel, there's some kind of different versions of Ariel, but there's really none that actually place Ariel in the shoes of Ursula. Just so my YouTube video doesn't get flagged for some reason, we'll call them Ursula and Ariella. Ursulella. So today we'll be doing my concept. All the products I use today will be listed somewhere around the video. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to ask me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to turn that notification bell on, which never works anyways. All right, Ariella, here we go. This has gotta go. Thing number one that I'd be interested in is making myself a green skin tone. I don't want to make it like super green, I just want to make it I do want to make it green though. I'm going to be drawing inspiration from her tail. Also the fact that Ursula is purple, I'm assuming that Ariella would be a different color other than skin tone. Move my drawers around. And I'm gonna mix together green body paint with white body paint to give myself a very light green, then mix that with my foundation. And overall, we're just going to stipple it on to begin with. I'm also going to apply this color on the rest of my body. Like I said, right now it is very subtle green. I'm then going to mix together more green and a little bit less skin tone and stipple that on throughout. I don't want any of these colors to be solid because I want it to look more like her actual skin than green body paint sitting on top of my own skin tone. I'm then going in with an even darker olive green body paint and just focusing on more of the areas that would be contoured in my body, but also stippling it throughout. While I do want to still kind of keep my skin tone showing through, I also do want to give it some darker areas throughout. I'm also going to contour out these areas because I want to have like sharper cheekbones just to look a little more evil. And I'm just using the exact same olive green body paint, just concentrating it way more in these areas. Basically doing what a lot of glam makeup does, but more dramatic and more evil. I like evil. Using alcohol-based makeup, and then going to mix in a little bit of this olive green, and then I'm also going to mix in a vein tone, which I don't know where it went, but I definitely have it in another palette. I'm just gonna stipple on those two tones using a stippling sponge. You know what? I did end up deciding that I want to mix a little bit of purple into her skin tone as well, just to kind of make reference to her top, even though technically her top is not a part of her body. Or is it? I just want to mix that color in there a little bit, so I'm using the alcohol paint mixed together red and blue to create purple, and I'm going to stipple that on. Stipple everywhere. I think I'm done stippling. Usually my issue is shading, which we haven't even gotten to that yet. But today apparently my issue is stippling. I don't think it's really an issue though because I think I look pretty sick. Okay, so let's actually start to add some beauty makeup onto this character here. And some shading. We all know how much I love shading. As usual, I'm first gonna prime my eyes as if I just have regular foundation on. I then already know that I want to keep a very dark, smoky eye because I want to do some dramatic lashes with this as well. I'm also going to be doing a black lip because Ariel has some nice bright red lips. We want to do the exact opposite. Instead of just having no lip color at all, I still want to give her a nice lip color. So we're gonna go with black. line in the eyeballs. I also added eyeliner to my lids and I'm just setting it with black eyeshadow. That way it makes it a little bit deeper around my eyes. Also due to not necessarily my lack of black lipstick, but my lack of desire to find my black lipstick, but I do have black body paint next to me. I'm going to be using black body paint on my lips, but I would recommend using black lipstick. I just know that my black lipstick is hidden in the abyss of my room. I am gonna do eyebrows, but I also just, I want a little bit more shading underneath my cheekbone, just a little bit, and then also a little bit next to my eyes, just a smidge more shading, just a smidge bit. I really didn't shade that much this video at all. I'm having a crisis. Using a little bit of black eyeshadow and then going to just contour my face just a smidgen. I'm then also gonna add on some black eyebrows using black body paint and throw on my Ariel wig. Even though I already have red hair, I do have one that is styled so beautifully and it's a brighter red. I'm also going to add fake eyelashes and pop in some contacts. You know what, I just realized I actually want to also make my teeth pointy. I'm gonna be using alcohol-based makeup and I'm going to paint it on my teeth. Make sure your teeth are completely dry before applying this. If you have any sort of moisture on your teeth, any sort of saliva, the paint's not gonna stick. So make sure your teeth are dry and then paint on your little triangle. To dry your teeth, you could use a technique like this. Okay. Make sure you don't drool on yourself, and then make sure this is dry before you close your mouth. That's all it takes to be scary. Ah, yes. Now, wasn't that interesting? Now the question is, what would Ursula look like if she were a princess? But not like the human she's got going on sometimes. We're picturing Ursula in Ursula form as a princess. This has got to go a second time. This makes 4. Just picture 2. Just to help for the visual. All right, to begin, beautiful Ursula. Well, we're not really evil. I'm not sure why I made that voice, but I'm going to be painting my skin a light purple. And I've actually also painted Ursula in the past, but I did do a beauty version, but she was still evil, so we're gonna try to make her as innocent and lovely as we possibly can. Ursula wears blue eyeshadow. I think she also has purple above that. It could just be her eye sockets, but I'm pretty sure it's purple. We're gonna use purple eyeshadow regardless if it's her eye sockets or if it's eyeshadow. So I'm first going to prime my eyes, then apply a white shadow underneath my brow bone, and on my inner corner apply a blue shadow to my lid and a purple shadow to my crease. The whole point of trying to look like a princess is not making our eyebrows touch our hairline and not making it a very intense, evil eye. I'm also going to continue the blue and purple right underneath my eye. Now normally I would say, nah, because it's a princess and they usually have pretty light open eyes. But in this case, knowing that I do want to do a nice, pretty, big, large lash on top, I do want to balance it on the bottom as well. I am then going to find some blue eyeliner and line my lower waterline using said blue eyeliner. I'm also gonna take black liquid liner and do a nice cat eye, but not so much cat eye, just a nice wing on top. Once again, making that eyeliner thicker, knowing that I wanna add some nice lashes on later. Using black body paint, I'm then going to nicely fill in my eyebrows, not evilly fill in my eyebrows, nicely, princessy. Now Ursula does have bright red lips, but if you've been watching my channel for a while now, or if you're brand new, you're about to find out that I do not like bright red. I don't know what it is, I've just never really been a fan of it. Instead of bright red lips, we're going to do dark red lips. Medium red lips, but glossy. Interestingly enough, I have never had a chance to actually use this product, which is Amethyst Purple Highlighter, until now. Using gold body paint, I'm then going to paint on her necklace as well as black body paint to paint on the strap of the necklace. Now one thing that I incorporated in an Ursula tutorial way back when, several years ago at this point, were her tentacles on her chest, and I do still want to include that in this look as well. To create the tentacles, we are going to do it very simply just by using dark purple eyeshadow and black body paint. I'm just going to outline and shade both tentacles as well as make the little tentacle suckers using dark purple eyeshadow for now. I'm then going to take black body paint and outline just right underneath both tentacles. I'm also going to take a very light purple body paint and just highlight around the tentacles and the little suckers. Then I'm also going to take gray eyeshadow and add a shadow underneath both of the tentacles. And maybe a little bit underneath the necklace too. I'm then gonna go pop my contacts in and put my wig on.